Hey guys, hope you're well. So I have something different to bring you. Today I'm announcing my first ever giveaway on this channel. This is a really big one guys, and I think you are going to like it. Over the past few months I have been speaking with Logic Keyboards and they have agreed to do a giveaway of 10 of these design keyboards. That's right, 10 keyboards worth over £1,000. Now, if you don't know who Logickeyboard is, I suggest you go check them out. They are a company based in Denmark and they make these awesome keyboards for creatives. Their keyboards have been designed to visually show the shortcuts to each creative software tool. From video to audio to design and 3D modeling, they have a keyboard specifically for each creative discipline. Now, Logickeyboard have been kind enough to donate me one to review, which I have been using over the past few weeks, specifically the design keyboard, and I can attest they are pretty awesome. Now, this one keyboard shows the shortcuts for Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign, and this one keyboard alone features over 225 shortcuts. Now, if you're interested in a product review, you can see the review I did recently on my Instagram and on my blog. Link is in the description. Now, if you want to get your hands on one of these bad boys for free, I'm going to need you to get your creative caps on and participate in a small design challenge. Jump over to Instagram and participate in the campaign I have going on there. Now, this campaign is called Keys to Create. And what I need you to do is choose your favorite shortcut from Photoshop, Illustrator or InDesign and reimagine the shortcut visually and create a design to feature on a poster. Now, your design can be an illustration, a texture or a pattern, or a piece of typography that could feature on the final poster design. Now, this campaign will be running for the next 2 weeks, so you have a little while to think about it. The top 10 designs will be shortlisted for the keyboard, and the others will feature on the poster which each participant will receive. So if you want to be in with the chance to win one of these awesome keyboards worth over £100, then let's see your designs. If you want to learn more, jump over to the campaign landing page on my website to see the full instructions. Link is in the description. There you can read the full instructions in more depth and grab the design brief. Now, just a short caveat here guys, I have to say I am not getting sponsored by Logickeyboard for this campaign. They are not paying me. This is just a cool giveaway I have managed to arrange with them for you. So jump over to the landing page and I look forward to seeing your submissions over on Instagram. I look forward to seeing your designs and what you can come up with. Good luck guys.